Maya-maya pa habang kumakain, si Lela nakahanap ng tiyempo para kausapin ng masinsinan ang malapit na kaibigan na si Joaquin.
Dude, I'm telling you this because as your friend,
Yeah.
ang dami ko nang naririnig.
Na?
Yung mga concerns nila about you. Na like, syempre, yung pag ganun, the way you talk, like minsan yung approach mo hindi maganda. So like yung ibang housemates nila, nagugustuhan yun, yung ganun. I really wanted, gusto na sana kita kausapin matagal na. Pero di ko lang, naghanap kasi ako ng perfect timing. And like, ayaw din nila kasi nga daw baka lumaki pa. Or baka nga daw di mo maintindihan. But like, I'm sure na maintindihan mo yan.
I understand.
Yeah.
Ako po kasi kuya, sanay na po ako kay Joaquin eh. Kilala ko na po kuya si Joaquin. So, pag meron po siya mga ganong moments, nasasabihan ko po siya agad.
Yung sa kitchen, when someone wants to cook, let them cook.
I let them cook. Yeah.
But like sometimes napapansin nila na naiya sila sa'yo kasi minsan, like, hindi pala minsan, most of the time, ikaw yung lagi nagluluto.
Yeah.
Ganun. Or kaya meron ka ng reserve,
Yeah.
3 days in a row. Mga ganun. And some of them, hindi pa sila nakakapagluto dyan sa kitchen. And your approach lang siguro. Yun talaga. Doon talaga sila sa approach mo sometimes. Na-intimidate sila or sometimes mali yung pag-approach mo. Especially yung ganun. Like, for me, I was there, I saw it.
Yeah.
Medyo disrespectful talaga yun.
At
Kasi,
inamin ko naman na
yeah.
nagkamali ako dun.
Based po dun sa pinaghahawakan ko po ngayon 2026 is yung paggalang kuya, respect. Yun din po kuya ang isa sa mga gusto ko rin po iparating kay Joaquin. Respect in all aspects po.
At nag-apologize ako kay Ashley.
Yeah. And meron talagang mas okay na way to say that. Respect pa rin.
Yeah. Even if she did a disrespectful gesture to me also, I should have
Yes.
sent a respectful gesture back. Imbis na
Exactly.
inaamin ko naman na nagkamali ako dun. And I pondered about it din. At medyo na-guilty din ako dun.
Yeah.
Yun naman din po yung usapan namin kuya na if meron po akong maling ginagawa, i-call out niya. At if meron po siyang maling ginagawa, i-call out ko po. As friends, yun po yung naging usapan naming dalawa.
I'm not talking to you because of what happened with Ashley and everything. I'm talking to you kasi ang dami ko nang narinig. Siyempre ako, as your friend, ayokong nakakarinig ng ganun. I mean, yes, I know you, pero after hearing those, ako yung pinaka-close mo dun.
Yeah.
So, ako din, parang napapa-what?
I really respect you for confronting me about it. As much as possible, I'm trying to be self-aware talaga. At sasabihin ko talaga na nagpapakatotoo talaga ako. And as much as possible, lahat ng mga pagkakamali ko, inaayos ko.
Yeah.
But I can only look at myself so much. I can look introspective so much to the point that, I see things, pero wala talaga, hindi ko talaga makita lahat. So kailangan ko talaga ng outside perspective or outside opinion talaga. It's hard to come across criticism in a public place like this, kuya. Baka they might think na if they give criticism or if they say things like that, people might take it the wrong way. I'm not that kind of person, kuya. I really take criticism in a positive way, kuya.
That's what you need to work on pa.
Approach.
Better approach.
Okay.
Huwag mo pangunahan ng ines, ng temper mo. Huwag mo pangunahan. Think first bago ka magsalita. Alam mo naman yan eh. I know you know those. Alam mo yan.
I get what you mean.
I'm a bad friend if I don't speak up, kuya. If manahimik lang po ako, kuya, and if wala po akong gagawin about it, parang ang sama ko naman pong kaibigan, kuya.
Dapat mangibabaw yung respeto. All the
Thank you so much.
Of course.
Kasi
No, thank you. Kasi akala ko talaga matakot ka. Kasi
Hindi.
it took time before ko sabihin sa'yo.
I'm really grateful. I'm really grateful.